Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add another moderator to your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add another moderator to your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing multiple EverWebinars, you know that sometimes there's going to be a huge amount of comments that are always coming in. So it might be helpful to add another moderator. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your webinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add another moderator, here on the left side, you want to make sure you click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. You can see I have these two. So go ahead and choose the webinar you want to add another moderator to. So for example, this one right here, and click on edit. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these blue bubbles here at the top. Make sure you've clicked on configuration. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see these three options, and you want to look for this line right here, webinar moderators, and click on the pencil icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the moderators that you have in your webinar. You can see it's just me. And then to add another moderator, just add in their name, Ralph, me, and then go ahead and enter in their email address. All right, and once you've entered that information in, go ahead and click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see we've added this new moderator into our EverWebinar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add another moderator to your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.